Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel and welcome back to Arrays in PHP lecture series. This video covers count function and size of function. Let's begin with the count function. The count functions are used to return the number of elements in the array. Syntax of the function is count keyword into brackets. First parameter is array and second parameter is mode. Let's see example of count function. $a equals to array with elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line is $size equals to count function. Here in this example only one parameter is used, $a. Here array variable is passed, that is $a. This will give output as size of the array. Here size of the array will be 4, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements. Now let's see second function, size of function. Size of function is an alias of the count function. It is similar as count function. Let's see syntax. Size of keyword. First is parameter array and second is mode. Look at this example. $a equals to array keyword. First element is 100 arrow 1, second is 200 arrow 2, third is 300 arrow 3. Second line is $size equal to size of function and one parameter is $a, that is name of the array, that is array variable. This will give output size of the array 3. 1, 2, 3 as there are 3 elements in the array. This is all about getting the size of an array using count function and size of function. Hit the subscribe button, like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.